How to sync your calendar of Airbnb with Booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Booking.com, log in with your account details. Once logged in, go to three lines at the top left corner and go to Booking from the menu. Then after click on Sync Calendar. After that, here in this page you can see a lot of calendar. You can simply click on add and you can export the calendar of Airbnb. Once you have exported the calendar, simply click on sync all external calendar at the top right corner and then you're good to go. So that's it. Just by following the simple steps, you will be able to sync Airbnb calendar with Booking.com. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.